Y'all serious right now? I thought y'all were supposed to be washing the car.
What did you say? We weren't washing the car until this thing keeps. I fell off the car and almost landed.
Yeah, because it moves backwards.
No, Malie's doing it. She's putting off the emergency brake, and I was like, ah! Emergency stop. I was like,
Mm-hmm.
fell off the top of the car. Yeah, Amanda. You missed it. I almost landed in this doo-doo, but your car, luckily, it ran it over. We gotta clean.
Y'all quit playing. Hey, you're getting my car wet. On the inside, her door was open.
Oh. I want to see your face. So, come here, Rick. What's wrong with that? He does not know how to wash the car. You don't either. Neither of us do, because you don't. Oh. Amanda, this is fun, sort of, until you get spread in the face. Can we do it tomorrow? Dude, I want to not be here tomorrow. Yeah? It's all my meat.
What are you doing, Dakota?
Perfect idea. It works, Amanda.
Are you serious right now?
Yep. Yeah. Hey, at least the car's gonna be clean without dog paws on it. Ain't that right? Yeah. This hood, that's the reason I was on it. Cause when I got up there, I looked at my shirt, I had dog paws on my shirt. Didn't I? Oh. Didn't I? Oh, yeah. Are you recording this?
No. No, I'm not.
Yes, he is.
I can promise you I'm not.
Yeah, you could, but you won't.
See? There ain't nothing on there.
You just... Oh, okay, I see how it is.
There ain't nothing on there.
Go for it. Go for it. Right.
If you break my windshield, I'm gonna break your butt.
Oh, it's good. He goes to school. It's like half of it sticking outside with a belt right there.
Dakota, do not get on my window like that. Get off of it.
I'll save it. Look, it looks like it's all blue water. I got a crack this time.
Alright, I think y'all done wasting water.
No.
Yeah, I think y'all done. Get the rest of the soap off right here. And off the front grill. Dakota! Now he has to go around it and rinse it off again. Hurry up! You're wasting water.
I need to rinse Dakota off here, so... Dude, rinse the car off.
Dakota needs to be rinsed off every day.
Okay.
Like 4, 5, 6 times a day.
Dude, stop, man! You don't want to tell my orders. I take my work seriously.
Okay, well, rinse it off, please.
Dude, you probably missed a lot of that. Okay. You missed a big old shot. Right there. Alright, what's our minute? We're done. We're done!
Hey!
I didn't do anything.
Thank you for washing my vehicle.
You're welcome. It's trashed.
It actually looks a lot nicer. A lot newer. Now I can finally see the scratches that this dog did. Oh, y'all got the scratches off the hood, too. Nice work.
Yeah, it's Dakota's fat body, his organs.
Yeah, Dakota's fat body. Now the inside of the car needs to be rinsed off now.
Okay.
No, you ain't. You are not putting that hose in my car, Dakota. I'm about to see.
It's like you spray. Man, it does need to clean it. It does.
What did I tell you about using your hands on the window, yo?
Your scratches are coming back. They're not. Dakota, we need some more organs.
Right.
It's like a ripping organ that
Come this way.
actually works.
Come this way.
All you gotta do is rinse it off and it don't look
Jay, come this way.
Dude, let's just rinse it off.
Alright, turn off the water.
Go turn it off. This stuff works. We even sprayed out everything. Hurry up, spray me down before it cuts off. You're ready to be cleaned up. Spray me off before. No!
Alright, now put the hose back where it goes. Oh, it's a ladybug. Hi, little ladybug. Look at you, you're so cute, little ladybug. Oh, it's a little ladybug.
Catch this.
Ladybug. Where'd the ladybug go? There's ladybug. Ladybug, ladybug. Look at lovely little ladybug cars.
Why'd you put on
YouTube. I know she's recording. Just look at her. She is, dude.
I'm not recording nothing. I'm just taking pictures of this ladybug.
Dude, let's go.
Can you put the toys back where they go? Please and thank you. No, but you can go down and get the Barbie Jeep and bring it back up here.
Okay.
What are you doing, boy? Crazy.
Yesterday for AJ because the little thing that sticks in to hold it didn't work, so we got some black tape and taped it so it was more.
So that's why my duct tape is down here. In the grass.
Yeah, tell her. I couldn't find it.
Amanda, this vehicle is coming to destroy you and your vehicle.
Alright, Transformer.
Can you do this and not get hurt, Amanda?
Can I do what and not do what?
And not get hurt?
Oh, y'all missed a spot.
Where?
Right here.
Can you do that?
Stuff wouldn't come off for real.
Hand me a washcloth.
Here you go.